Max the Monkey and the Birds. Once upon a time, in a little village, there lived a monkey named Max. Max was very curious and always wanted to know what others were doing. One day, while he was swinging from tree to tree, he saw some birds building a nest. Instead of minding his own business, Max started telling the birds how to build their nest. The birds, feeling bothered, asked Max to take care of his own tree. But Max didn't listen and even tried to build a nest himself. Unfortunately, Max wasn't good at building nests, and his nest fell apart. Feeling embarrassed, Max realized he made a mistake and apologized to the birds. From then on, Max learned to focus on what he was good at and to respect others' privacy. Moral: it's important to mind your own business and not interfere in what others are doing. When you focus on your own tasks, you avoid problems and make better friends.